Rich motivation. Fuel your drive to succeed. 1. Understanding motivation. Motivation is the spark that ignites our dreams and fuels our journey to success. It's not just about bursts of enthusiasm, but the unwavering belief that you can conquer your goals, no matter how audacious they may seem. With each challenge, motivation is the force that propels you forward, turning aspirations into achievements. It's the guiding light during moments of doubt, reminding you of the purpose behind your endeavors. Embrace rich motivation, nurture it, and let it be the relentless wind beneath your wings as you soar to new heights of success. 2. Types of motivation. It's the joy you feel when you're doing something you love simply because it resonates with your soul. On the flip side, we have extrinsic motivation, often driven by external factors like rewards, recognition, or the fear of punishment. Both these forces play crucial roles in our success story. While intrinsic motivation can be the purest form of drive, pushing us to excel in areas we're passionate about, extrinsic motivation can act as a powerful catalyst, providing the push we sometimes need to get started or maintain our efforts. The balance between these motivations varies for each individual, and understanding how they interplay can be a game changer on your path to success. Remember, it's not about choosing one over the other, but harnessing their combined power to fuel your drive to succeed. 3. Finding your passion. Passion, that fiery core within, is the driving force behind unparalleled motivation. It's the secret sauce that transforms mere goals into lifelong pursuits, filling your sails with the wind of enthusiasm. To find your passion, start by exploring your interests, hobbies, and curiosities. Ask yourself what activities make your heart race and your spirit soar. Reflect on moments in life when you felt truly alive and energized, for therein often lies the essence of your passion. Don't rush the process. It's a treasure hunt within your own soul. Once you've pinpointed your passion, embrace it wholeheartedly, making it an integral part of your daily life. Passion is the magnet that draws you closer to your dreams, so nurture it, let it flourish, and watch as it fuels your drive to success like nothing else can. 4. Overcoming procrastination. The thief of time can sap the very motivation that fuels your dreams. But fret not, for we've curated a treasure trove of strategies to combat this silent saboteur. First, break your goals into smaller, manageable tasks. It's easier to tackle bite-sized chunks. Set clear deadlines and hold yourself accountable, perhaps with a trusted friend or mentor. Minimize distractions by creating a focused workspace and setting specific work hours. Practice the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes to complete a task, do it immediately. Cultivate a reward system and celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Develop a routine and stick to it. Consistency is your friend. And when motivation wanes, visualize your goals, remind yourself why you started this journey, and connect with your passion to reignite that fire within. Procrastination is but a shadow, and with these strategies, you'll shine as the master of your motivation, paving the way to resplendent success. 5. Mindset matters. Mindset matters immensely in shaping your motivation and paving the way for achievement. This involves embracing a love for learning and resilience, which in turn supercharges your motivation. Begin by reframing failures as valuable lessons, acknowledging that even setbacks contribute to your growth. Replace limiting self-beliefs with empowering affirmations, and remember your potential is limitless when you believe it to be so. Surround yourself with inspiration, be it through books, mentors, or experiences that foster a growth-oriented perspective. With this shift in mindset, motivation becomes an unwavering companion, propelling you forward on your journey to boundless success. So, dear dreamer, open the door to your growth mindset and watch as motivation and wealth flow abundantly into your life. 6. Self-discipline and motivation. Picture self-discipline as the sturdy rudder guiding your course and motivation as the relentless wind in your sails. Together, they chart the course to greatness. Discipline isn't about deprivation but rather dedication to your goals. It's the art of making choices that align with your long-term vision, even when temptations beckon. When discipline and motivation unite, the synergy is remarkable. Maintain a clear and well-structured plan. Cultivate daily habits that reinforce your commitment to success. Understand that motivation may ebb and flow, but discipline remains steadfast. Harness this duo, and you'll find the power to persevere through challenges, keep your eyes on the prize, and ultimately sail toward your dreams, fueled by an unshakable resolve to succeed. Attention-savvy investors and finance enthusiasts. Unlock financial freedom and master wealth creation at BraylenAV.com. Subscribe now for a prosperous journey. 7. Creating a motivational environment. Your surroundings hold profound sway over your motivation, so let's curate an ambience that fuels your drive. Begin by decluttering your workspace, removing distractions that divert your focus. Natural light can work wonders, infusing energy into your space, so position your workspace near a window if possible. Personalize your surroundings with motivational quotes, vision boards, or reminders of your goals. Choose a comfortable and ergonomic chair, investing in the tools and equipment that enhance productivity. Incorporate elements that inspire you, be it artwork, plants, or calming colors. Create a daily routine that syncs with your optimal productivity hours and stick to it. And if possible, designate a specific space solely for work to establish boundaries and maintain work-life balance. In this environment tailored to your aspirations, motivation will flourish, propelling you confidently toward the summit of success. Sculpt your surroundings to mirror your ambitions, and watch as your motivation soars to new heights. 8. The power of positivity. Positivity is not merely a state of mind, it's a formidable force that fortifies resilience and nurtures your motivation. Embrace the belief that challenges are opportunities in disguise, and setbacks are stepping stones to greater achievements. Cultivate an attitude of gratitude, for acknowledging the blessings in your life can kindle the flames of motivation. Surround yourself with positivity by associating with like-minded people who uplift and inspire you. Practice mindfulness and meditation to foster mental clarity and emotional balance, enhancing your ability to stay motivated even when the road is rugged. Banish self-doubt and negative self-talk, replacing them with affirmations that empower and uplift. Remember, a positive outlook isn't just a mindset. It's a superpower that can light your path through the darkest of times and propel you toward the dazzling heights of success. 9. Overcoming burnout. Burnout, that silent thief of motivation, often lurks in the shadows, but by recognizing its sign we gain the upper hand. Understand that burnout isn't merely exhaustion, it's a profound sense of emotional and physical depletion, often accompanied by a loss of motivation and interest. Watch for red flags like chronic fatigue, reduced performance, and increased cynicism towards your goals. The first step in combating burnout is acknowledging it. Give yourself permission to rest and recharge. Recovery is the key to reigniting your motivation. Prioritize self-care, incorporating exercise, proper nutrition, and sleep into your routine. Set boundaries to protect your time and energy, and don't hesitate to seek support from friends, mentors, or professionals if needed. Burnout is a signal from your body and mind that it's time to regroup and rediscover your passion. With these strategies, you'll emerge from the depths of burnout, your motivation rekindled and your path to success illuminated once more. 10. Motivation and personal development. Personal growth is a destination and the journey of a lifetime, and it's the wellspring from which motivation flows endlessly. By embracing continuous learning, you expand not only your knowledge but also vision, propelling you toward new horizons of achievement. Explore diverse topics, acquire new skills, and dive deep into your passions. Each step of personal development breathes life into your motivation. Surround yourself with mentors and role models who inspire you to push beyond limits. Embrace the beauty of self-discovery, acknowledging that you are a work in progress with boundless potential. Motivation thrives in the fertile soil of personal growth. Your journey is a testament to the power of ambition, resilience, and the relentless pursuit of self-improvement. 11. Sustaining long-term motivation. It's the strategies for long-term motivation that will see you through the marathon. First, set clear, meaningful goals with milestones along the way, ensuring your path is well-defined and your progress tangible. Cultivate a growth mindset, viewing challenges as opportunities and setbacks as lessons. Routine can be your ally. Establish daily habits that reinforce your commitment to your dreams and celebrate your small wins along the way. Surround yourself with a supportive network, as the journey is lighter when shared. Pause and reflect periodically, recalibrating your goals and aligning them with your evolving aspirations. Practice self-compassion and prioritize self-care, understanding that your mental and physical well-being are the foundation of your motivation. The journey may be long, but it's the consistent effort, resilience, and unwavering passion that will carry you to the pinnacle of success. Burnout a distant shadow in your rearview mirror. 12. The role of failure. It's often said that failure is the stepping stone to greatness, and indeed it's the crucible where motivation is tested and forged. Every setback, every stumble is not a defeat but a valuable lesson in disguise. When viewed through the lens of growth, failure becomes a powerful motivator, propelling you to rise stronger and wiser. Embrace failure as a friend, not a foe. It's in those moments of challenge that your determination is steeled. Analyze your failures, extract the pearls of wisdom they hold, and apply those lessons to your future endeavors. The most iconic success stories are woven with threads of failure. It's about avoiding failure and harnessing it to fuel your unwavering motivation. Failure is not the end but a crucial pivot point, steering you towards the glory of your dreams with renewed vigor. In the journey of life, motivation is your trusty companion, the unwavering flame that lights the path to success. It's the enduring belief that you can overcome any challenge that comes your way. When you nurture this inner fire, it becomes the driving force behind your aspirations, turning them into realities. So keep that motivation alive and burning bright. It's your steadfast ally on the road to success. With it, you'll conquer obstacles, reach new heights, and inspire not only yourself but all those who witness your relentless pursuit of your dreams. Remember, every step forward, no matter how small, is a testament to the power of your rich motivation, bringing you closer to the life you envision. Stay motivated, for your journey is a story of determination, resilience, and ultimate success.